Anyway, I hate the weather when it's like this, because every time it's like this, the internet goes out, as you can see. This web page not available. Cause see, it looks like this, and then the sky will be all dark like this, and then the wind will be blowing and making the trees wave like this, and then the rain will come down like this, and then the lightning will be like this, and then like the thunder will be rolling in the clouds like and I can't go anywhere because when it's raining like this the last time, I got into an accident on North Avenue. Because when it's raining like this on North Avenue, it sucks. Of course, you would tell me to take another route. Well, I guess I could take another route. I could just take Baker Street, but Baker Street has potholes. That's it. Splash.
No, get a water bottle real quick.
Water. FL.
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 Find a water bottle. It don't matter.
I ain't got a water bottle.
See what I mean? Okay, so this is Splash, right? So she almost knocked me over, and I had a bottle of water in my hand, and so, like, I was just like, you know what, if you had done that, this water would just went... Alright, let's see how that went.